Are you looking for some art inspiration today? I have gathered 5 of my favorite art books that I love to look through whenever I want to get some ideas about what to make and what to create. The first book is Chateau, Gudanes. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that correctly since I've never had French. It is written by a couple who purchased an abandoned chateau who have been renovating it as a bed and breakfast. Second is In Pursuit of Inspiration by Dunn. I love this artist, and for some reason this book always gets the creative juices flowing. She does a lot of watercolor and she paints everyday objects. This huge book is called The Complete Pattern Directory by Elizabeth Wilhide. It is an amazing book that is chock full of designs from all time periods, and if you're at a loss for something to do, just pick this book up and look through it, and I'm sure that you will get an idea. It's a springboard to so many things. This next book is Light for Visual Artists, and this is more of an informational book. If you struggle with lighting in your painting or your illustration work, this book is one of the absolute best on lighting, reflection, shadows, and the like. And this last book is a gorgeous book. It's called The Oil Painter's Color Handbook, and I think it's my favorite that I've ever found about color theory, color palettes, the history of color, and I find there's so much in here for me to apply every time that I sit down to paint. So there you have it, 5 books for you to be inspired to go make some more art today.